All right, here's our homework and practice for lesson 1-4. Again, we're still looking at our addition fact patterns. So here's another look. You can use your addition table to find the addition facts that have 7 as an addend. Remember, that's what we're adding here. That's our addend. All those 7s. Okay, find the 7 in the top row of the table. Write an equation for each sum in that column. So right here we have 0 plus 7 is 7, 1 plus 7 is 8, 2 plus 7 is 9, 3 plus 7 is 10. So that's what we've done here. So we're going to use these same fact patterns that we see here to complete each equation. So this is just like what we did in our lesson. Okay, 9 plus 6 equals something. So let's see, 9 plus 6 equals 15. Now take a look. We're going to think smart on this. All of our sums are 15. So let's take a look if we can see some of our fact patterns to help us solve some steps. Okay, 9 plus 6 is 15. Something plus 7 equals 15. So I'm going to start at 7. I'm going to go over till I hit the sum of 15 and go up from there. I get an 8. So 8 plus 7 equals 15. Now I already have a 7 here and there's a 7 here. So I know this is going to be 8. I'm going to switch it back and forth. It doesn't matter which way our addends are. Okay, and 6 plus something equals 15. If I have a 6 here and a 9, I know if I have a 6 here, I also need a 9. Okay, so you can just take a look at the patterns you've got, or you can take a look at the addition table. 0 plus something equals 4. 0 plus 4 equals 4. 1 plus 3 also equals 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4, 3 plus 1 equals 4, and 0 plus 4 equals 4. Again, you're looking for that same pattern. So we have all of our sums are 4, 4, 4, 4. Now take a look, 0 and 4, 0 and 4, 1 and 3, 3 and 1, 2 and 2. Okay, let's take a look at this one here. 5 plus what equals 6? Well, I can actually use my fingers. 5 plus 1 equals 6, or I can do my chart. 5 plus 1 is 6. Okay, now 4 plus something is 6. 4 plus, I have a 6 here, I'm going to go up, there's my other addend, it's a 2. Okay, now let's take a look at our pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have a sum of 6, a sum of 6, a sum of 6, a sum of 6. So we already know that 3 plus 3 has got to have a sum of 6. Now let's take a look. Something plus 4 equals 6. I already have a 4 here, so I know I haven't used a 2 yet. 2 plus 4 equals 6. And blank plus 5 equals 6. I have a 5 and a 5. I can do a 1 and a 1. All right? Great job. Again, feel free to pause the video if you need to. We're going to go through and use our fact patterns to complete each equation. So at this time, I want you to pause the video. I want you to do this all on your own and then come back and check it. Okay? All right. So 10 plus 1 equals 11. 9 plus 2 equals 11. 8 plus 3 equals 11. 7 plus 4 equals 11. And 6 plus 5 equals 11. Hopefully we all see the pattern. We all have a sum of 11. Take a look at these addends in the second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the addends in the first place is 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. So we're looking around for patterns. Okay, let's take a look. We're still doing sums of 11. And look, this has a blank, but you know what? I know that 1 plus 10 is 11. Okay, so now let's take a look if we can find the pattern. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now let's take a look at the number in our second addend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, this one tricked me. Take a look at this. This one tricked me. All right, so I was looking at the pattern, but this is why we have to double check. 2 plus 2 equals 11. Nope, 2 plus 2 does not equal 11. It's going to be 9 plus 2 equals 11. And 0 plus what equals 11? 11. All right, So I'm glad that one was a little bit tricky. So double check that one and make sure that you have that one right. Because when you're taking a look at the patterns, see if we switch the add-ins, it doesn't matter. We could have it be 2 plus 9 and it would follow the pattern. Okay, let's take a look at this one again. Let's take a look and see if we can find some patterns to help us solve the equation. Again, the equation is just the math sentence. 9 plus 9 equals 18. 9 plus 8 equals 17. Ooh, let's take a look at this. These are all 9s in the first add-in place. So let's take a look at this. I'm going to put one in and check it. 9 plus 7 equals 16. That's correct. So let's see. I have 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Let's check it. 9 plus 5 equals 14. Now let's take a look at our sums. They have a pattern too. 18, 17, 16. They're going down by 1. So this is going to be 15, 14, 13, 12, let's check it, 9 plus 3 equals 12, 11, 10, 9 plus 0 equals 9, okay? Now let's take a look. These are all 9s at the beginning, so let's see what happens if I put a 9 here. 9 plus 4 equals 13, yep. 4, 3, 2 should be the pattern, let's check it. 9 plus 2 equals 11, and 9 plus 1 equals 10, yep, we are good. Okay, now it says write 8 equations with 2 add-ins, 2 numbers that are added together that have a sum of 13. So it will be blank plus blank equals 13 on every single one of these, okay? So let's take a look at, I'm going to start with 10. 10 plus 3 equals 13. Now I'm going to go down. 9 plus 4 equals 13. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and we're adding, and I know they all have to equal 13. So I'm going to go ahead and set up my equations to look like this, and then let's fill in the numbers together. Equals 13 plus something equals 13. Okay, so now let's look at our pattern. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. So these go down, but take a look at these. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so again, we're just looking for patterns to help us solve these a little bit quicker. Okay, here's 2 of our Common Core assessments, so be sure to pause the video and put your answers in and then come back and check it. So let's see what it's asking first. Which have a sum, that means our answer when we add together, of 19. Choose all that apply. Which have a sum of 15. Choose all that apply. Okay, go ahead and pause the video and then come back and let's check it. All right, so I know that 10 plus 9 equals 19. 8 plus 8 is 16. 9 plus 9 is 18. And 9 plus 10 is 19. So sums of 19 is going to be the bottom one and the top one. Okay, now which have a sum of 15? 7 plus 8 equals 15. 8 plus 7 equals 15. 9 plus 6 also equals 15. And 5 plus 10 also equals 15. So every single one of these we are going to check. Great job, everybody.